So welcome back, and many of you are facing issue particularly on this lab. So actually the problem is that whenever we are trying to update the policy from 180 days to 90 days or 90 days to 180 days, all these tasks are getting completed, but the check my progress score is not being updated. So if you are facing any issue, like you need to wait for the solution to get live, currently avoid this lab so that you get more points. Okay, in the live stream also many people suggested that make a video related to lab issue, so I'm just updating you. Kindly avoid this lab. This is a part of week 4. Also one more lab is there in the week 4. Do avoid that lab also. It's related to, let me just show you this lab. Okay, this one life cycle one and website hosting one. Just avoid them so that you get entire updates and complete all the remaining labs. Whatever solutions are available on the channel, make sure to check it out. Let me just show you. You have to come to the channel, come to the playlist, and here you can see all the solutions are live. Hurry up, complete all the challenges, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.